Good morning, everybody. It is Monday morning and I have a ton of stuff to ship out. Very happy. Had a great weekend of sales, so let's get started. So the thing that I am grabbing is this Mad Dog, I don't know, apparel hunting vest. It does have an issue with the zipper. I did disclose that. It sold for $11.01 plus shipping, so that's fine. I would have probably just donated this if I didn't sell it. Their storage unit sales, so this Neutrogena acne light therapy thing, I had 2 of them from my storage unit. They sold on eBay for $60 plus shipping. These are new tags, Jackson Hole khaki pants. I don't know. I paid $10 for these at Plato's Closet and they sold for $20 plus shipping. I've had these for a while, so I did take an offer. I think I had these listed for $45. Can't remember, but they've been sitting a while, decided to take the offer. For Maurice's straight leg jeans, they sold for $9 plus shipping. I think I got these at the bins. Maurice's jeans are like a dime a dozen around here. Maurice's is very popular. People like their jeans, I guess. But $9 plus shipping, not the best, but it's fine. I sold this Nebraska Huskers. I cannot say that. I've filmed this like 3 times. Santa hat for $9 plus shipping, and I did receive this for free. I have these brown Chico's pull-on jeans. They actually sold the same day that I listed them for $20 plus shipping, and I did get these at the bins. Sold this winter Cardinal scene garden flag for $4 plus shipping. Happy to get it out of my inventory. Sold both of these pairs of Gypsy jazz shoes from my own closet. They are size 11. One is like a pink sparkle, and one is a, I think like nude sparkle shoes. These are like Hey Dude dupes. Anyway, I never wore them, so I sold them for $25 a piece plus shipping, and they both went to the same buyer. So the buyer is like $60 all in. Love to Dream swaddle that I found at the bins. It had a big stain on the top, so that's why I listed it at $10 plus shipping, and it sold for full price the same day. Another Ollie and Holly item sold. This is a really nice boutique brand. It's like Free People-esque. It sold for $20 plus shipping, so the buyer is around $30 all in on this hoodie. And I spent, I think, $10 on it. So like not the best profit, but it's fine. Got these Clark's shoes in someone's free pile at a garage sale, and they sold actually pretty quickly for $15 plus shipping. Pair of socks. The brand is Rich or Poorer. I've never heard of it. I did receive these for free. So I listed these for, I think, what was it, $12, and I got a $9 offer, so I went ahead and took it. I sold this Adore Me, like lace corset, I'm pretty sure these are called. I got these in my thread up 200-pound bulk boxes, and this sold for $15 plus shipping. This Vineyard Vines Performance shirt in a size 3T that I got in my children's 50-pound thread up box. I can't think this morning, but it sold for $20 plus shipping. The last of the Dyson parts have sold. This Dyson Stick from a cordless vacuum. It sold for $25 with free shipping. Yeah, you're seeing my mess in the background. But I have the tube to ship this in. It does not cost very much to ship, so pretty happy about that. Got these for free. This Nespresso part sold super fast. So I bought a Nespresso machine at the bins. I thought it was clean, and it really wasn't that clean, so I just took a few parts off of it. I paid $2.99 for the whole machine. They had it priced out separately. This sold for $10 plus shipping, this little like cup holder thing that came off of it. And then I also have the like cartridge bin, and then also the water reservoir to list as well. Those are going for like $38. So honestly, it's going to be a really great profit just from parting it out. I sold these not rated cute little open-toed boots things, sandals. They sold for $20 plus shipping, and I did pay around $3 for these. This Zara Puffy Vest in like a boy size 10-12. I got this from my thread up 50-pound children's box. It sold for $17 plus shipping. These American Eagle jeans in a size 0 for $4 plus shipping. Don't dog me on that. I've had these listed for 2 years with like little to no interest. So this Mountain Hardwear hiking backpack on Poshmark, thank goodness, because this will probably be under 5 pounds, so I'm not going to be picky on shipping and what's going to be the cheapest way to ship this, but it sold for $35. I did get this at the bins, and yeah, pretty happy with that. It sold like the same day that I cross-listed it. St. John Caviar top that I got in a thread up 200-pound bulk box. I love those bulk boxes. It sold for $28 on Poshmark. This Nike vest, I think I got it for $5 at a garage sale, and it sold for $28 on Poshmark. It's a size extra small, so I was pretty happy with that. So this NFL Team Apparel Dolphins sweatshirt for $20 on Poshmark, and I did receive this for free. So this lot of 5 One World tops. If you don't know what they look like, they're like, I'll show you a picture of them. But these sold for $40 on Poshmark. It was a lot of 5 tops, and I find these all the time, especially at the bins. But I did receive these ones for free, so it was all profit. I sold these Kansas City Chiefs boots. Chiefs fans are crazy. I just feel like they're like the most passionate fans I've ever seen. They're crazy. But anyway, Kansas City Chiefs boots in like a size 9 sold for $32 on Poshmark, and I did receive these for free. I sold these Gap flare jeans. They're like Y2K before Y2K was popular, so I did not tag Y2K in these, but they have like floral appliques on them. They're very Y2K. But they sold for $8 on Poshmark. Fine with me. I'm pretty sure I got these at the bins. This Columbia pink vest on Poshmark for $10. I can't remember where I got it. Pretty sure I got it at a garage sale at some point. Happy to move it. Columbia doesn't move super well for me anymore. Unless it's the Omni Heat with the like metallic interior. That stuff does well, but other than that. These Fry leather sneakers on Poshmark for $15. I did get these from somebody here locally. I did purchase them in a big lot of clothes. So this is one of the items where I was like, meh. Not a huge fan, but I will sell it and make my money back. I get this Poof Sweater from a 200-pound bulk box. I think it was the very first one I got, and I wanted to keep it for myself. I never wore it. Surprise, surprise. I like only wear like 10% of my closet, which most people do. I'm trying to get better at that. But anyway, this sold for $12 on Poshmark. Carhartt Kids size large overalls that sold for $35 on Poshmark. And where did I get these? I probably spent $8 on these, so happy with that profit. I sold this Tommy Bahama sun hat on Poshmark. I'm so glad I sold it on Poshmark as well because I don't have to worry about the weight or the size box that I put it in. So I'm just going to put this in a big priority mailbox, and it sold for $15. I did get it for free. Last Poshmark item are these Athleta cropped capris that came out of my own closet. They had a lot of pilling in the crotch just from me wearing them, and they sold for $5 on Poshmark, and next sales are the heavy hitters of the week. Not going to hold them up. You guys know what they are. I sold 2 more POS systems that I found on the curb. They are the ones that most restaurants use, the Sam 4S ones. And I got these on the side of the road for free over the summer, and I just listed a lot of that within the past 2 weeks, and they are selling super fast. So I sold one of these systems for $340 plus shipping, and then one sold outright for my full asking price at $450 plus shipping. So extremely happy with that and can't wait to ship those out. That was my sales this week for the weekend, I guess. I don't know when I'm stopping this or when I'm starting these, but I have quite a few packages to ship out today, like 40 something. Very happy, very blessed. Just a lot to ship out on a Monday morning when I have only had 1 cup of coffee. Let's do it. Anyway, if you like me, if you like videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!